In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom CSV file with Koinly. First, open Koinly's custom CSV guide and choose the template that matches your transaction data. Koinly provides different templates depending on the kind of records you have, including a simple template for deposits and withdrawals, a trades template, and a universal template for rows that include both sent and received assets. Koinly also says you can use Google Sheets, Excel, or another spreadsheet tool to edit the file. Next, replace the sample rows with your own transaction data and make sure the column names match Koinly's format exactly. Koinly notes that dates should use the YYYY-MMDDHH:MM:SS format. In UTC, and numerical values should use a period as the decimal separator. If needed, you can also add missing columns like tags, currency, or totals, so the file matches what Koinly expects. Once your file is ready, download it as a CSV file. Then go to the Wallets page in Koinly, add a new wallet or open an existing one, choose Import File, upload the CSV, and complete the import. Koinly also says, files over 10 megabytes may need to be split into smaller parts before uploading. One more useful tip: Koinly says its custom formats now support currency addresses in the format symbol::address blockchain, which can help match the correct token when symbols are similar. Before importing, double-check your headers, timestamps, and asset names so your transactions are read correctly. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.